This is the weather forecast video for Friday, January the 20th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see cloudiness encroaching the plain states and into the northern and central Rockies and back into the Intermountain West and into California. This is with the approaching snowstorm coming through the area today. Here's a radar mosaic as of about 11:30 last night. You can see the snow was moving in through Nebraska and South Dakota. As it moves eastward, it'll produce some heavy snow over the northern counties. And the watch warning map from before midnight shows the winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings across the northern portions of the state and eastward into Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan, and Indiana, with the numerous winter weather advisories and warnings to the west. Here's the QPF chart. This is precipitation through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock. Shows the heaviest amounts of precip still along the Pacific coast and from the south northeastward along the eastern seaboard. Here's HBC's probability of at least 1 inch of snow between yesterday evening and this evening. Now, most of the snow will be ending slightly after this point. And here's 2 inches of snow. Still looks pretty good. The orange area is over 80%, the blue over at least 40 to 50%. So 2 inches of snow looks decent from north of a Sioux Falls to Muscatine line. 4 inches of snow looks to be a pretty good bet across the northern, north central, northeastern, and east central counties of the state. And here's the 6 inches of snow probability. The dark green is 30 to 40%, so the main swath of snow looks to be about maybe 3 to 6 inches, maybe a higher total. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run, shall we, at 6 p.m. this evening. This will be as the snow is moving out of the state and into the Great Lakes. You can see pretty much a west-east flow. There's the snow moving out. The heaviest snow will be well off to our east across Illinois and Indiana. So flurries and light snow will continue for the evening hours Friday night. Into Saturday, that storm is well off to our east, and winds begin to switch to the south, so temperatures will actually be a bit warmer, maybe 20s across the state, to maybe a few low 30s. That's ahead of the next storm that moves through here on Sunday. That could bring some rain or snow, most likely some snow. Looks to be light accumulations, maybe an inch or two. That moves off to the north and east, and temperatures behind it will be overly cold with 20s and lows probably likely in the single digits and lower teens. Here comes the next system in this progressive pattern of storms every other day or every 2 days. Another one's moving in. This will bring maybe some light snow to the state Tuesday night into Wednesday. By Wednesday evening, the snow will be moving out with a low pressure centered southwest of Memphis, so some showers and thunderstorms possible down along the Gulf Coast and deep south. That low really starts to make a run up here on Thursday, and that could still bring some snow, possibly maybe some moderate snow just to the east over western Illinois and northern Missouri. We head to a week from today on the 27th. You can see it's still mainly a west-east flow, a little bit of a trough over the eastern part of the country. That's with that low moving over Quebec with some snow across the lakes and into the northeast, and cold air coming down from Canada, so that'll bring the temperatures back down. We head further into the month. This is the end of the month on the 31st. There's a polar vortex over about Hudson Bay, and that's going to be pretty cold with a polar front with snow extending from the Pacific Northwest along the northern Rockies into the Dakotas and Minnesota, and there's a 1,052 millibar low over northeastern Alaska. Watch that heading into February the 4th. That is a very energetic storm system possible over the Great Lakes down to the middle Mississippi Valley, and that's also going to bring cold air. There's that 1,052 millibar high in eastern Montana. If this is right, it'll be very cold to begin the month of February, and there could be snow all the way into the deep south. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.